Hello guys, what is going on? This is the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, an IP69K and IP68 waterproof phone, drop-proof, durable phone, all for around $90. So for that we get 5-inch 720p display, MTK 6761, 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of ROM, face unlock, Android 10, 4000 mAh battery, decent camera specs, and yeah, let's unbox this thing. Okay, cool. This is the phone. And that is indeed some nice durable plastic we got over here. A nice IP68 brandy, not really, looks kind of ugly. Okay, we get a screen protector, bunch of manuals. I don't know what this is for. I guess this is to shovel out the back. We have a wristband over here, nice. Micro USB cable. And our charging brick. I know what I'm supposed to do. Maybe, is this what I'm supposed to do? Just take off the bag? I have no idea. So we're just gonna leave that aside. Micro SD card and our SIM card go here in this flap. And there's a hole in here. I guess that's what we use to take it out. So that phone feels thick in the hand, but not too thick. And here we go. Let's power it on. Alright, our display here is pretty decent. You can tell this is drop proof because there's a very thick layer of plastic which is covering the display. So rest assured, this is drop proof. I don't know if you can see that. Over here in the edges, you can see the display is a bit recessed. So that is hard plastic covering the display. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Alright, this is the fingerprint setup next. And alright, that is doing it pretty quick. Oh, never mind. The vibration motor is very responsive. It's very tactile. I mean, not like the iPhones, of course, but even when typing, we do get a good experience on that. Here we go. The phone is all set up. I do like how this pull-down menu looks like. We do have NFC, all that good stuff. The display, you know, for being recessed under some heavy-duty plastic, the display is pretty good considering that. And we do have gestures pre-enabled, so okay, the phone just set up, so it's kind of slow right now. But as you can see, we have gestures, Android 10 gestures, so that's pretty cool. So, you know, the specs here aren't that strong, so it's not going to be a very fast phone, but it is responsive more or less for the price, and it does function like a phone. First off, we're going to test the fingerprint sensor. Alright, 3, 2, 1. That failed, 3, 2, 1. It failed again. Not recognized. That, okay, now it works. Okay, let's try this again. Failed. Good. 3, 2, 1. No, failed. Failed. I set it up right. I don't know why it keeps failing. 1, 2. Failed. Worked. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, not that reliable, but it is if you hit it spot on, which is not that hard to do. You'll get used to it. If you want to be a bit more reliable, I recommend setting up the same fingerprint multiple times on the same finger. That usually works. Very basic settings over here. Let's do face unlock. Okay, face is set up. Let's see how it works. 3, 2, 1. Not bad. 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to try it close up. Alright, same speed more or less. So the face unlock is pretty quick, but don't expect it to work flawlessly in every scenario. Okay, it lagged. Okay, it's stuttering. Let's turn off ads. Yeah, let's turn off ads. Nope. Usually reopening the game solves this issue, so that's exactly what we're gonna try. Nope. Okay. Okay, Netfit is a no-go. Let's try One Rider. Nope. Okay, it's not too bad actually. I mean, sure, it's not the highest frame rate, but at least it's not stuttering too much. So, I mean, I guess it is. Wind Rider is playable on this phone. Okay, so it's good for some light games like Wind Rider, but Knife It is a different story. I mean, and it depends if the game is optimized and other very specific factors that I can't get into because I don't really know it myself. But yeah, that is light games. The game didn't stutter from this first second I joined. So our graphics, it's in frame rate is medium. Okay, these are the lowest graphics, and yeah, everything is snappy. I wouldn't raise the graphics any higher than what it is now. Yeah, I mean, this is playable. Let's just hope there's no throttling, you know. So light games, more or less, it'll work fine. PUBG is gonna work fine. I can't say for any other heavy games, but yeah. Alright, I really like the speaker. The quality is good, the bass is good. No distortion, it gets really loud. Especially for a speaker that is on the back. And to prove it's on the back. Yeah, I really like the speaker. Let's hop into the camera. 14 megapixel main shooter. Let's go to the settings, see what we got. Video, what can you say about video? Alright, that is full HD, and the front video is full HD as well. So guys, let's take our first selfie. Alright, let's go outside. Rear facing video on the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. Full HD. It looks pretty decent viewfinder, not stuttering. Yeah, I'm just walking around. Let's see if you can focus on this. No, that. Okay, I haven't touched the screen yet. That's good now. Okay, not gonna work. And yeah, video looks pretty decent. Front facing video on the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, also full HD. The video looks pretty decent. Hard to tell if you're looking at the phone itself, but video looks pretty decent, I guess, you know, for the price. And yeah, you be the judge. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it. I have tested all the basic functions of this phone except for, you know, durability testing it, because I gotta sell these later on. I can't afford to bring them to buyers in poor condition. Any scratches, scuff marks, stuff like that. But this phone, without a doubt, is gonna survive many drops. It's gonna be water resistant. I already showed you how the screen is protected. So yeah, this phone is very durable. You have nothing to worry about. So should you get this phone? I think, yeah, I mean, it's not gonna be the fastest, but you don't buy this phone for speed. You buy it for, you know, durability. And the phone's gonna be just fine with that. I think actually this is one of the best value rugged phones you can buy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try to answer them. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.